Note: this is a NAVC modified animation that illustrates key components of the Inspect Internal Components of Engine procedure. Refer to the TM for inspection details. Caution: pre-lube the engine for 5 minutes before rotating the crankshaft. Remove all crankcase access covers. Install protective screens over drain holes in bottom of crankcase dry sump. Inspect inside of crankcase for metal particles and foreign material. Engage barring device and rotate engine as necessary for inspection. Inspect connecting rod and main bearing edges for evidence of bearing failure, pimples, beads of tin, or discoloration. Inspect connecting rod and main bearing bolts and nuts for broken or missing nuts and lock wire. Inspect for loose oil lines to main bearings. Inspect lower edge of cylinders for water leaks. While barring engine over, inspect cylinder liner for scoring, galling, and dull spots. Remove all camshaft inspection covers. Bar engine over and inspect camshaft lobes for pits, chips, scuffing, spalling, and discoloration. Remove cylinder head caps and housings. Inspect to ensure intake and exhaust valve hold-down bolts are secure. Inspect to ensure rocker arm assembly bolts are secure. Inspect rocker arm bushings for bushing failure, discoloration, and beads of metal. Ensure locking tabs are in place for cylinder safety valve and hold-down bolts are secure. Ensure cylinder safety valve and start air valve safety wire is intact. Inspect intake and exhaust valve assemblies for damage and signs of fatigue and for broken intake and exhaust valve springs. Start standby rocker arm lube oil pump and ensure oil is present at rocker arm bushings, tappets, and push rods. Warning: ensure all tag-out procedures are in accordance with current shipboard instructions. Stop standby rocker arm lube oil pump, de-energize motor controller circuit, and tag Do Not Operate. Caution: cleanliness is critical to prevent damage to fuel system. Warning: do not discharge treated cooling water into inland waters and harbors. Drain injector cooling water system to a level below injector. Disconnect connector assembly from conduit on top of injection pump. Loosen underflange screws and rotate connector assembly. Remove conduit, which is threaded into injector body. Note: inspection of the engine internal components can be conducted through the air start valves and dummy plugs for those engines that have successfully completed the 80% performance monitoring maintenance requirement. Remove injection nozzle from cylinder head using injector puller tool. Cover nozzle hole in cylinder head to prevent foreign objects from entering cylinder. Bar engine over to bottom dead center for cylinder being inspected. Remove cover from injector nozzle hole in cylinder head and insert bore scope through injector opening in cylinder head. Inspect piston crown for carbon buildup and deterioration. Inspect cylinder liner for scuffing, galling, and dull spots. Inspect underside of cylinder head intake and exhaust valves for pitting, burnt valves, erosion of valve seats, and any gaps in valve seating surfaces. Any opening in valve seating surfaces wider than 0.002 inches requires further investigation. Example of valve with gaps in seating surfaces. Repeat the injector nozzle removal and bore scope inspection steps for the remaining cylinders. Test injector nozzles in accordance with MRC R20 E3BJ. See the test injector nozzle procedure in this VTT for more information. Reinstall fuel injector nozzles in accordance with MRC R20 E3BJ. Reinstall all inspection covers, cam covers, access covers, and valve housing covers with new gaskets as required. Disengage barring device. Remove safety tag from standby main lube oil pump motor controller circuit. Remove safety tag from standby rocker lube oil pump motor controller circuit. Remove safety tags from fuel supply valves. Remove safety tags from starting air supply valves. Close all cylinder test cocks. Remove safety tags from diesel engine starting circuit system. Return equipment system to readiness condition. Note: enter completion of this procedure into the Shipboard Automated Maintenance Management (SAM) Machinery History module.